Did you know you can start harvesting vegetables in zone 5 weeks before your neighbors? Today, the top 10 vegetables that will give you an early harvest and transform your gardening game. In this video, I'll share the best vegetables for zone 5 gardeners, along with proven tips and tricks to get a head start on your growing season. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, these strategies will help you maximize your harvest. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which vegetables to plant, how to care for them, and how to enjoy fresh produce weeks earlier than usual. Let's dive in. Zone 5 can be tricky with its shorter growing season, but with the right plants and a little planning, you can enjoy fresh veggies way before summer hits. I'll walk you through each vegetable, share some pro tips, and even give you a bonus trick at the end to keep your garden producing all season long. Ready to get started? Let's go! Vegetable 1, spinach. Let's start with spinach. This cold, hardy vegetable is a true garden superstar, thriving in cool weather and capable of surviving light frosts. You can plant it as soon as the soil is workable, giving you a head start on the growing season. Spinach germinates quickly and grows best in well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. A great tip is to use row covers to protect young plants from unexpected frosts, ensuring steady growth. Within just 30 days, you'll be harvesting fresh, nutrient-packed leaves. Whether tossed into salads, blended into smoothies, or sauteed with garlic, spinach is a must-have for any early spring garden. Vegetable 2, radishes. Next up is radishes. These grown vegetables are perfect for gardeners eager to see results. In as little as 3-4 weeks, you can enjoy crisp, flavorful radishes fresh from your garden. Radishes thrive in cool weather and are an excellent choice for early planting in Zone 5. They prefer loose, well-draining soil and benefit from regular watering. A smart companion planting trick is to grow radishes alongside carrots. Radishes mature quickly and help loosen the soil, allowing carrots to grow deeper and stronger. This means you can maximize space while enjoying 2 harvests from the same area. Their spicy crunch adds the perfect bite to salads and sandwiches. Vegetable 3, kale. Number 3 on the list is kale, a resilient, leafy green that thrives in cool temperatures. Not only does it tolerate frost, but cold weather actually enhances its flavor, making the leaves taste even sweeter. Kale is rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a powerhouse for your diet. It can be harvested as tender baby greens or left to mature into large, hardy leaves. For the best results, start kale indoors about 4-6 weeks before the last frost, then transplant it outdoors for an early yield. Kale is incredibly versatile. It's delicious in fresh salads, blended into smoothies, or added to soups and stir-fries for extra nutrition. Vegetable 4, peas. Finally, let's talk about these cool season crops. Thrive in early spring and can be planted as soon as the soil is workable. They grow quickly, providing a delicious harvest in just a few weeks. Peas do best with a support system like trellises or stakes, helping keep the plants upright and improving air circulation, which reduces disease risk. They love well-draining soil and consistent moisture. Freshly picked peas are a treat, whether eaten straight from the vine, added to salads, or cooked into meals. If you want to enjoy homegrown sweetness early in the season, peas are a fantastic addition to your garden. Vegetable 5, lettuce. Number 5 is lettuce, one of the fastest growing leafy greens that thrive in cool weather. It's perfect for early spring gardens and can be harvested as baby leaves in just 3-4 weeks. Lettuce grows best in well-drained, nutrient-rich soil with consistent moisture. A great trick for continuous harvests is to plant lettuce in succession every 2 weeks, ensuring a steady supply of fresh greens. Using row covers can protect young plants from unexpected frosts, keeping them tender and healthy. Whether you prefer crisp romaine, delicate butterhead, or vibrant leaf lettuce, homegrown lettuce brings unbeatable freshness to salads and sandwiches. And here's the secret: broccoli can grow even when frost lingers. Vegetable 6, broccoli. Next, let's talk about broccoli. Broccoli is a hardy vegetable that thrives in cool temperatures and can withstand frost, making it ideal for early season planting. To get a head start, begin broccoli seeds indoors about 6-8 weeks before the last frost and transplant them once the weather allows. It grows best in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil with full sun exposure. A helpful tip is to use cloches or cold frames to protect young seedlings from unexpected frosts. With steady watering and care, you'll have firm, flavorful broccoli heads ready for harvest in just 60-70 days. Its rich flavor and high nutritional value make it a garden must-have. Vegetable 7, carrots. Number 7 is carrots, a cool season root vegetable that requires patience but is well worth the wait. Carrots grow best in loose, well-drained soil free of rocks and clumps that might hinder root development. Since they take longer to mature, planting them early ensures a strong harvest. A fantastic companion planting tip is to grow carrots alongside radishes. Radishes mature quickly and loosen the soil, making it easier for carrots to develop long, straight roots. Carrots need consistent moisture for even growth, so keep the soil slightly damp. Vegetable 8, beets. Next is beets, a versatile vegetable that provides both delicious roots and nutritious greens. Beets thrive in cool temperatures and grow well in Zone 5 gardens when planted early. They prefer well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. One key to a successful beet harvest is thinning seedlings to 3-4 inches apart, allowing enough room for roots to develop fully. In just 50-60 days, you'll have plump, tender beets perfect for roasting, pickling, or adding to salads. Plus, the leafy tops are packed with vitamins and can be sautéed or blended into smoothies, making beets a dual-purpose garden gem. Vegetable 9, Swiss chard. Number 9 is Swiss chard, a resilient leafy green that thrives in cool temperatures and can even withstand light frost. It's an excellent choice for early spring planting in Zone 5 as it continues producing throughout the season. Swiss chard is highly nutritious and packed with vitamins A, C, and K, making it a superfood for your garden. It can be harvested at the baby leaf stage for tender salads or allowed to grow into full-size greens for heartier dishes. A great tip is to start Swiss chard indoors and transplant it early to extend the harvest. This versatile green is perfect for soups, stir-fries, and sautéed dishes, bringing both color and flavor to your meals. Vegetable 10, onions. Finally, let's talk about onions. Are a staple in most kitchens, and growing them in your Zone 5 garden ensures a fresh supply of this flavorful ingredient. They are a cool season crop that should be planted early in the season. While onions take longer to mature into full bulbs, green onions can be harvested in just a few weeks for a quick and tasty addition to salads and meals. The best way to get a head start is to plant onion sets or transplants instead of starting from seeds. They thrive in well-drained soil and require consistent watering for optimal growth. Whether you're growing sweet, yellow, or red onions, they add depth and flavor to countless dishes, making them a must-have for any home garden. Before you go, here's a bonus tip. I'll show you how to combine these vegetables for a staggered harvest that keeps your kitchen stocked all season long. Try succession planting. For example, plant radishes and spinach first, followed by lettuce and peas. As you harvest these early crops, replace them with warm season vegetables like tomatoes or peppers. This way, you'll maximize your garden space and enjoy fresh produce all season. Another tip, use cold frames or row covers to extend your growing season even further. These simple tools can protect your plants from unexpected frosts and give you a longer harvest window. By planning your garden in stages, you'll never run out of fresh veggies to enjoy. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening secrets. Let me know in the comments which vegetable you're most excited to grow this season. And if you have any questions, drop them below. I'd love to help you get the most out of your Zone 5 garden. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video. Gardening is all about experimenting and having fun. Don't be afraid to try new things and see what works best for your space. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your early harvest successes.